Around 2 weeks ago, I told you guys that Verasity was ready to go on a monstrous run, and we are up over 100% in that time frame, guys. Absolutely insane. And guess what? We're not done yet. This thing is just getting started. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about what I saw as to why I was so bullish, the amazing interactions that we have had with our breakers, guys. It is absolutely a perfect case study. And where are our price targets going to be for the future? So like always, I'm not a financial advisor. I cannot give financial advice. However, go ahead and like and subscribe to this video, and let's dive right in. So on Verasity, like I was telling you guys, I did call this about 2 weeks ago, and look at the absolute monstrous move that we've come. We were right here 2 weeks ago when I released this video. We're already up around 130% since that video was recorded, guys. Like, this is absolutely has taken off, and it looks absolutely beautiful. I'm super excited about it. So let's go ahead and dive in why I was so bullish on this coin. Well, the main reasons why is right here. We got above the 200 moving average and we're consolidating above it. That's all I need to see. But we also had some other levels. This weekly level was reclaimed on the US dollar pairing, and on the BTC pairing, I can find it real quick, VRA. And on the BTC pairing, this is the exact same thing. We were consolidating above the weekly level, and we were above the 200 moving average. Guys, like, this stuff works extremely well, and you just cannot ignore these sort of signs. So yeah, guys, it's definitely taken off. It's done really well. Let's start with the BTC pairing and look at the absolutely beautiful interactions we've had. Let's go to the 4-hour time frame. Okay, we have a daily breaker here and a daily breaker here. So as you can see, we came up here and tested it, consolidated underneath it, broke above, came up here, tested it again, and this rejection wick shows you that that daily breaker is significant. Came up here, broke to the upside, and now we have done a retest of that level, then continued the upside. Now, although it did get below there, the important thing is we did not get a close above or below this level. So as long as you don't get a close below here, that means that it's still acting as support. Until you get a close, you are totally fine. And a lot of inexperienced traders will sell too early or will panic when it gets below that level. Wait until you have meet your invalidation point, which is a close beneath your breaker. And we did not get it, so we continue the upside, right? This is absolutely beautiful. Now let's go on to the US dollar pairing and look at the exact same thing. So on Verasity, here we go. All right, so on Verasity, we have the daily breaker here, daily breaker here, daily breaker here. I think it was a weekly, actually. It was a weekly, and then I believe there's a 3-day. Yeah, 3-day point of breakdown. Okay, so let's look at the interaction we've had on the low time frame. This is absolutely just gorgeous, guys. I did a video on the breaker video where I explained how to use breakers and what to look for and things like that. Make sure to check that out. I'll put a card up above my head. I use Verasity as like the case study for everything on how these breakers are played. So you can see you came up here, rejected, got back above here, rejected right here, acted as support, rejected again, acted as support, just consolidation right here, broke to the upside. And then what happened? Once you get above, you retested it, continue the upside, right? And then came up here, rejection wick right there, drop back down where we find support, the previous breaker, guys. This stuff is so simple. Come up here, tap it, tap it, tap it, then we break to the upside, come back down for a retest, now continue the upside. Guys, this is exactly the way these breakers are supposed to work, and it's absolutely just gorgeous, guys. So now here's the big question. What now, right? That's the big one. Well, the guys, this looks really good. The only level that I really have left in this chart is right here. This 3-day level is all we have left, and it's currently being tested right now and rejecting, which is not really that surprising because it is such a major 3-day level. That's all we have, guys. Like, look, this is the last level before price discovery. We are that close to absolutely ripping, just completely taken off. And the rest of the alt market looks amazing right now. So Verasity, I think, has a tremendous amount of potential here. So what happens once you get above here on the US dollar pairing, and what happens now that we are in price discovery essentially on This pairing, you can see the Bitcoin pairing, we're already above everything, okay? So we are in what essentially price discovery mode on the Bitcoin pairing, and we are almost there on the US dollar pairing. So what you're looking for now is you want to take your hands, place them under your butt, and do not touch them, okay? I'm telling you guys, I know that sounds crazy. Do not stress about price targets, okay? Price targets are something that you are going to just completely mess up, okay? Professional traders who manage this stuff all the time are not able to catch tops, okay? Because of that, it's very unlikely that you will be able to catch a top yourself. So take your hands, put it on your butt, and chill, okay? Let this thing do what it does. I have a rule in crypto. It's called cut your losses early and let your winners run. This is a winner. You need to let this thing run. If you sell too early, you're going to regret it. Just like with Doge, just like with Cardano, just like with Binance Coin. Okay, these are some examples of coins that absolutely far exceeded all expectations. Solana is a recent one, right? Luna is another one. Rune's another one. Guys, this one has that sort of potential, and you need to just sit back and relax, okay? Now, how do you sell this coin? Well, you want to wait for a major show of weakness. Okay, what that means is wait until we've established like a 4-hour, a daily, maybe even a weekly candle or a weekly breaker, and then wait until we close underneath it. Once we close underneath it, that would actually be a show of weakness. Okay, does that mean you're going to catch the top? No, you're not. Okay, accept that now. Understand, you are not going to catch the top of this coin, just like any coin in crypto. Very, 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 very few people are able to catch the top. So instead, just wait until you have a massive show of weakness and then start lessening out your position, okay? You're still going to get to at least 60 to 80% of the all-time high on this coin if you follow the strategy, okay? You're not going to get the top, but use patience and understand that's okay, guys. I don't know what it's going to make or whatever, but like imagine only selling out at 17,000 on Bitcoin last cycle. Okay, like that's still not that bad, right? Or only selling at $3 for XRP. Okay, that sounds insane to people who were like, oh, you guys sold way over $3? That's crazy, right? But just understand, guys, this has that sort of potential. Wait until it goes up, starts collapsing, making a show of weakness, and then you start selling, or you're going to sell way too early. Okay, so don't stress about price targets. Now, you can also join the Discord server, and when you're on the Discord server, I keep you guys up to date on what is going on in the market and essentially where I'm looking to sell at. So outside of that, I'm going to let you guys go. If you have any questions, like always, let me know, and I will see you guys in the next video. Deuces, boys.